Hey guys, this is Siri, and today's Leetcode problem is container with most water. This is one of the most important interview question because this has been asked in Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Microsoft, and many other tech companies. And this is also one of the repeated interview question. And this is a medium problem from Leetcode. So the problem statement is you have to find the maximum amount of water that can be trapped between the lines they have represented as an array. So let us see the first example. In that, they have given you an array which is called height, and they have given you some elements. So you'll be considering the elements as a vertical lines, and you'll be finding which is the maximum area that can be contained in that container. Okay. So for that, I'll be using a two pointer approach here. So let's start with the code so that we can understand it. So first I'll be initializing it with the pointers that will be moving from left, and since it is a two pointer approach, we'll be having two pointers. One is for left and one is for right. So I'll be taking the left as point 1. So initially the point 1 will be 0. Next is point 2. Point 2 will be at the end of the array. So we'll take the length of the array minus 1 because it starts from 0. So yeah. Then I'll be taking one value for calculating the area, which is the maximum area there. And we'll be looping through it. So first I'll initialize it. So let it be result, which is the area that it will be storing maximum. And for iterating from first to last, we'll be maintaining a while loop, which where the left point should not exceed the right point. So point 1 should not exceed point 2. Okay, this is for iteration. And after that, I'll be calculating the minimum height. So when I take 2 point, I'll be taking the minimum one, because if I take this largest one, uh, the next point will be small or something, then it may lose water. So I'll be taking the minimum height from it. Yeah. So here I'll be taking the minimum height, and next I'll be taking the width. So for width, we'll be minusing the last point and the first point. So for width, yeah. Then after that, then for checking the maximum area that can be stored here, for checking it, height into width. The area is height into width, right? So you'll be taking the maximum thing, whether it is the current area or previously stored one. So this is for checking the maximum area. And for adjusting the pointers down, whether the height of the left one is lesser than height of the right one, we'll be incrementing the left pointer. Whether if the height of the left pointer is greater than or equal to the height of the right pointer, we'll be decrementing the right. So this is a possibility to find a higher container. So here we'll be having the checkpoint to check the vertical lines here. Yeah. So here I'll be incrementing the point one. Yeah. Other condition is you'll be decrementing the left pointer. I mean the right pointer, sorry. So after these things, you'll be finally returning the maximum area, which is result. Point two. Yeah, the test cases have been passed. Thank you.